Okay, I'm taking this week of part 6, the day after, but basically, off camera, I got this gate activated. Me approaching it has opened the doorway. Now, let's explore a new area together. The ancient ruins. There isn't much except this mysterious tree. Hold on, let me try something. Activate. Hmm. I do not need that many. One of the sign shows its potential. I'm going to need some of these. Also find a way to basically get these to grow. See, it begun to form. But quantum. What's quantum florets? No. Their favorite fruit. I'm trying to see. Echoes. F1 for slime P entry. Well, I have no use. I'm not a decor person. Definitely a man of action. So, let's see if I could try and get some of these quantum lemons. I wonder if our good friend H. Stained glass was a good reminder, can't always both. Yes. Alright, you could probably read that itself. I kind of went ahead and read it already. How in the world do I have a question. How do I get the lemons again? Let me just spend some time checking. Uh-huh. Hold on. I need. Excuse me for a moment. Alright. Oh. Software issue. Alright. I'm gonna leave the quantum port here. I'm only really going to need it for something specific. Specific. So, let's see. Alright. You need to wait for them to be grown. Phase limits. Favored fruit of phase lines. I want to try something. Pink slime. Take it. I don't know what that did. Just a tiny little experimental swine. Huh. So over here, that's what that does. Besides being a giant gate to another realm that I only know of because I've seen this series, which part of its ending unfold. Oh. Okay, I'm back up front. What are the odds? And faith limit. I've accidentally locked myself out, so I do have to kind of go this way. I do want to try something. Does anything work? Or is it solely? Yeah, it's solely fruits. Oh boy. I can hear him. I don't see him, but I can hear him. Just find a map node, I'll be able to. Okay, I didn't know if that was like a false wall. Is that even a thing in these ruins? A set of false walls meant to make you think you can't go any farther when in reality you can? I don't. I've never been to this place in person, so. Like I said, it's me discovering it for the first time, and step away from the pogo fruits. Where the. Blast it. Hit 'em all. Oh wait, cube berries. Quantum slimes. Just enough to work within. I think I see what I'm doing. Okay, I don't know. That just seems like it shuts this door for no reason. So. Figure out how to get into that room. Of course it is. Anyway, I'm going ahead. Oof. Nearly just killed myself. Nearly. Okay. I need to find my way out. I'll get back to you guys once I have. If I ever find my way back out of this labyrinthian escape. Maybe try to stare, Logan. Oops. There it is. The map station. This feels to me the entire layout of this labyrinth. Near the back there's an exit, but I'm just gonna head out via Indigo Quarry for now. Does this even exist? No, it isn't. This labyrinth is designed with space-time travel in mind. To reach hidden areas of this island. Of the far range, I should specify. Hold on. No, it's this isn't right. That's probably a distance. Then again, maybe not. Can just find my way back up. Ow. And I'm gone. I literally just. Where do I keep coming from? No, it is. Oh no, never mind. It is this way, I guess. I just lose my mind. No. Alright, here we are. Now, time for some money making. And with a certain location now open, I'm going to store these quantum slimes and phase lemons in that particular spot. Welcome to the docks, everyone. In a butt ton of sitting on it. Okay. Purchase. No, hold on. If you end up falling into Slime Sea, your stuff can sometimes pop up here. Basement. Luckily, it looks like it doesn't. If I could just buy some high walls and an auto feeder plus port collector, I'll be able to feed these guys. If I can just find it. I'm gonna go ahead and substitute some stony hands with briar hands. Put this wrist place. Alright. Buzzbacks. Dagnabbit, they've gotten into me pens! Well, Briarhead. Well, guess I'm gonna have to buy a roof after all. You're killing me, Smalls. You're killing me. Oh, drop off the buzzwax. Since this is the only use for it. Well, I definitely. Poker fruit. I haven't seen these guys poker fruit now. The beginnings of our exploration into the zone. Gonna be rolling in cash soon. Mm-hmm. And here's who should be, as I reorganize everything, getting the beats. For now, anyway. Honestly, I should probably be feeding them the carrots to get the most, but hey, I gotta do what I gotta do. Yeah, I can see it. Ah, crud, he's escaping. Get the system sorted out once they've all been fed at some amount. I'll fabricate some of those later. Thought so. Crystal slimes. I'm just gonna grab a boat ton of slimes. And he became tar. Dang magma. Okay. Just get out. And yeah. Seriously, Puppies, this is a. Okay. Got to find. Right. Gonna be honest. Wait, whichever of these slimes I've grabbed too much of, I'm just going to chuck them into space. Chuck them out to sea. Okay, all of them, because I totally miscounted my numbers. Or, just start some sort of farm. And, I love nothing. Picked up some okas. They want their favorite food. Phase lemons. Remainder for phase lemons. A lot. No, I've got plenty of carrots. They're just gonna survive on carrots. Now, I'm gonna feed them on meat. I'm not going to flush them all at dear luck. But this is mostly just a minor video. So, I'll see you all next time. Bye.